Okay, let's start. Attorney Famor, Your Honor, my client here is guilty. Uy! Kay nga no, Paul! Wa ka ni angkon nako gabi nga imong gikawat ang kape sa inyong silingan. Alawit, hindi mo ito sabot. Ha? Ha? Now you know how it feels if di mo tuman sa sabot. Mary ba? Asa naman tong mga sabot nato sa una, Paul? Mary, uy! Asa naman tong usa ka dusinang anak na atong giplanuhan? Mary, B! Please be professional. Ayaw isagol imong work sa imong personal life. Pero it's true naman, di ba? That you stole this coffee dream that promotes weight loss. Just like before, you're a thief and a cheat, Paul. I did that for you. Huh? I knew you were looking for this kind of coffee because you're a hardworking stress eater. And this coffee dream burns excess fats and carbohydrates. Mary, please give me a chance. Pero Paul, wala ko kahibaw. Everyone, keep quiet. Order! Order! Your Honor, wait. Please give us time. Time? Kaysa una, Mary, imo kong gihatagan og time? Nico? Sa una, I gave my full attention to you. Pero ikaw? Bisag ang pag-update, di mo mahimo. It's because I was always busy, Miko. Hala! We both were busy, Mary. Pero ako, I make time for you. Miko, I'm sorry. Kamong duha, red flag. Both of you are guilty. Pangawat pagkapibuanga ka.